Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun video to share with you. It's a Harry Potter golden egg box swap. This video was actually supposed to go up on Easter Sunday, but we had a few setbacks. Everybody in the group decided to push it back to this Sunday. So if you celebrated Easter, happy Easter. I hope you all will enjoy this video. So this box swap was put together by my very good friend Melissa from Geeking Out with MellyMel. Definitely go and check out her YouTube channel and show her some love. And her amazing friend Christian from MCdorks. So they put this great swap together. They organized everything and here we are. I received my box probably about a week ago, and actually just a few days ago I already have recorded this video. Yes, and I am recording it for the second time, and I have to apologize to my person, to Alaina. I am so sorry. I actually recorded the video. I went into our group and I said how amazing everything was and that I was so happy with my box, and then somewhere I misplaced the memory card because while I was ending the video the memory was running out and I swapped out the memory cards, and for the life of me I have no idea where it went. I have a feeling that probably when I was opening up the box it got mixed up in the papers and I probably took it out. I even asked my kids to go to the recycling bin and try to look for a memory card, but they couldn't find anything. So here I am recording it for the second time. So unfortunately I won't be able to show the beautiful packaging. Everything was packaged so beautifully. Everything was individually wrapped. It was all so pretty. It was all labeled. And I just feel so bad. I am so sorry, and I even spoke to Melissa about this, but anyways, I'm gonna show you this beautiful box and all of the beautiful items that are in here, and you'll be able to see that I already enjoyed one item in particular very much. All right, so without further ado, let me show you at least what the box looked like. So this was the box. It came a little bit beat up, but it came from Canada and they had a major snowstorm, so it probably went through some rough weather before it came to me here in New York. All right, first thing, I'm gonna read you the card that Alaina sent me. So the card is actually really pretty themed. It's from Harry Potter. The card reads, Anna, I hope you enjoy everything I chose for you. I try to support small shops for this swap, which is amazing. Thank you for that. That's amazing, wonderful. I even put an item I made myself, Alaina. Well, thank you so much. As you already know that I know everything that's in the box and everything is amazing, and I truly loved the box. But now I'll just show you guys everything that's in here. And so I'm gonna try to take everything out as I took it out when I first opened the box. So the first thing that I opened was this headband. It's absolutely beautiful. The fabric and the pattern on the fabric is really nice, and I absolutely love wearing headbands, putting my hair up just away from my face as much as possible. So I definitely like this a lot. Next two items are probably one of my favorites. I mean, there is another item that I absolutely love so much, but it's these two scrunchies. They are so soft, so comfortable. Like, I love scrunchies, and also the patterns are so pretty. I really like it a lot. And then we have this one. How pretty is that? Beautiful. I love scrunchies. These will get so much use. The next item is this witchy pin. I think it's so cute. I really like it. And it's a really good size pin. So I have two candles, and this is the first one. So the candle is from Queen Candles. It's from Canada, and this one is rose quartz, and it says that it's made with love in Toronto. So this is what it looks like. This candle smells like, I don't know, it smells so good. I can't even pinpoint, but look how beautiful it is inside. On our questionnaire, I think it mentioned something like what we collect or what we like, and I put that I do enjoy collecting crystals. And so this candle has rose petals, dry rose petals, and rose quartz crystals. How freaking amazing is that? And this is candle number 2, so it's from the same company. It's a small shop, so it says Queen Candles Canada Coastal Sunrise. So also made with love in Toronto, and it's natural soy and vegan. This candle smells magical. It smells so good. So this is the candle that I actually ended up using. It smells so good, and this candle also, it had some rainbow fluoride in here, and it had a seashell, but I burnt it because I was like, I want my whole house to smell like this candle. So the crystals kind of disappear. I probably should have pulled them out, but I figured I will catch them when the whole candle is completely finished burning. But you could probably see them. There's one here, I think here and here. This candle is amazing. It smells so good. I love this. Smells so amazing. Alaina also included some crystals for me. It's a little bit dark here, and I'm like blind as a bat, even though you guys see a lot of light here. Trust me, there's not a lot of light. But I think we have a rose quartz, and we have an amethyst, and this one, I'm not 100% sure. It's a little bit dark, but I have to see it like on the sunlight to really be able to figure out which crystal is this. I love crystals, so thank you so much. This was definitely a very sweet and kind little surprise. And here is the last little crystal. It just kind of got mixed up in the box. So pretty. Okay, I wish you could have seen my reaction to this next item when I first opened it. It came in a box, and it is just amazing and beautiful, and you have to be so crafty and talented to make things like this. I even was talking to Melissa, and I said, wait until you see my golden egg item. Just wait, because it is just amazing, and I really love it so much. So here it is. It is just so beautiful. I love the pattern. I like the style of it, and it's an ornament. Like, this is an ornament, and that was another thing that was on my questionnaire of things that I like to collect, and I love ornaments. So this is something that I'm gonna have forever and ever, because it's not going to break, and it's just so beautiful, and it's so unique, and I really like it. So again, I'm sorry that I had to re-record this video, but I truly enjoyed my box. I think it was amazing and thoughtful, and everything is just absolutely perfect for me. So thank you so much to Alaina. Definitely check out her video and see what box she got. I should have mentioned this in the beginning, but I think our requirements were a candle, a golden egg item, a headwear, and a pin. Those were the requirements. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Alaina, again, thank you so much. And again, I am so sorry that I don't know where my head is and I lost the memory card, but I truly enjoyed my box so much, and you did such an amazing job. Thank you so much.